This is corner Smit and Kent Roads, Anderbolt extension 98 in Boksburg. This prominent industrial property comprises of 7 industrial units with ancillary offices varying in size and height, operated as warehousing or workshop space. The largest unit is 2,847 square meters. The smallest is 109 square meters. All the tenants are long-standing. Each unit has good natural lighting and a standard concrete floor. There is a central tarred driveway, yard and covered parking bays. The property is protected by precast walling, palisade fencing and a guardhouse. Sasol Gas and an electrical supply of 1100 amps with transformers are supplied to the site. It is close to Atlas Road, Main Reef Road and the N12 and N17 highways. Amenities and public transport services are readily available. The property is in the industrial suburb of Anderbolt and forms part of Boksburg, part of the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality. The premises are on the corner of Kent Road and Smit Street, which offers excellent exposure through this active industrial node. It is surrounded by similar type industrial developments and independent factories and warehouses, varying in size, condition and application. The N12, N17, R24 and R21 highways are all close by, and it's also within convenient distance to main arterial routes such as Atlas and Main Reef Road. Other well-established industrial areas in the vicinity are Jet Park, Boksburg East Industrial, Benoni South, Wadeville and Muswelldale, and neighbouring residential areas include Ravenswood, Bayers Park, Westdean and Lakefield. OR Tambo International Airport is 10 kilometers away, and property in this region is considered to be in good demand. This property will be auctioned off on Wednesday the 12th of September at Summer Place in Hyde Park at 12 noon. Further information can be found on highstreetauctions.com.